How to use micro deposits on Wise. If you are making a transfer from the US and you set up an H bank debit for your USD transfer, we need to verify that your bank account belongs to you. If you're unable to do this with your bank login details, we might be able to verify you with micro deposits. This means we'll send two small amount between like $0 and $1 to your account, which will appear on your bank statement. It can take up to 2 business days for these to arrive. After you receive these, you'll need to enter the amount of Wise to immediately verify your bank account. How do you enter the amount of micro deposits? As soon as you see the micro deposits in your account, you can enter the amount on your transfer page, and this will immediately verify your account. You can do this only in the website. You can also enter them on the website without the transfer page. So click on your profile in the right top corner, click settings, go to connect accounts, choose complete verification and click continue and enter the amount. Will I have to do this every time? If you have two-step verification enabled on your Wise account, you won't have to verify your bank account again for old or new recipients. If you are paying from a new bank account for the first time, you might have to verify using micro deposits. If you don't have two-step verification enabled on your Wise account, you'll have to verify your bank account each time you send to a new recipient. So I recommend you to verify it by two-step verification.